got power. And they did it right this time. They got conduits, breaker box, no more duct tape. So they went and did this right. And nailed this. I don't know how they did that. How do you get that in there? Well, he fixed this because it was hanging upside down, and I asked him to change it because hard to just come out. So ran this through here. And I also got power coming down here. So this will be my workbench. I can do stuff here. No power, that's fine. I need to build a workbench here. This isn't, I guess this is kind of sturdy. Put a chop saw. So the plan is to take those pallets and make another workbench for this work shed. I'll clean this stuff up eventually. Actually, it'd be good here. I can probably work here and do stuff. But now that I've got power secured and the boiler's cooling down, I can get to work again. Cool.